if you suffer from headaches, and there are a special type of headaches that we're going to talk about today, headaches that go underneath your skull. And you know that, at the end of the day, and you're like, oh my gosh, I wish somebody could just rub my neck and pull my head. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. So all you need is a roll of athletic tape and 2 tennis balls. So this is a quick and easy way to do it. You take 2 tennis balls. You're going to take this roll of athletic tape, and you can do it in strips if you want, just to hold them both in place. Now, sure, you can take a lot of time and make this super pretty, but we're not doing that. We don't need to do that. We just need to make this work. So I wrapped it this way, and I wrapped it this way. That puts them together. Then I'm going to keep doing that with those strips. If you want to do one continuous strip, I guess you could do that. Right now I've done it here. Again, I'm not going for pretty. I'm going for functional. Now at this point, you really want to keep putting strips on here until the entire contraption or unit is covered with tape. And of course, if you let the tape fold over on itself, then you either have to unfold it or throw that out. Now the whole idea is that these tennis balls are going to kind of sort of replace hands and fingers that you would want to put underneath that skull and to work on those subocciptal muscles. So subocciptal area is just a fancy schmancy word for muscles underneath your skull. Now, I would keep doing this. If I wasn't showing you this, I would keep doing this over and over again, but I'm not, because that would be the world's most boring video to watch me tape 2 tennis balls together. But this is kind of, sort of, what it's going to look like. Actually, that's pretty darn good. And what you do is you just use your hands just to kind of push down the ends of the tape, right? And now you have this. It almost looks like a snowman or a figure 8. Now, what you do is you lie down. Oh, I'm going to show you a little trick with this book in a second. So what you're going to do is you're going to lie down, and you're going to put that contraption underneath your skull, and you're going to find the right spot. Now, you might have to move it a little bit. You might have to move it further down. You might have to move it further up, but play around with it. Now, you might say, gosh, I just can't get enough pressure on there. I need more pressure. That is when you use a book. Now, look what the book does. See how the book lifts me up? So if you have a significant forward head posture, this is how you accommodate for that. And then from there, oh boy, what a difference, right? And then you can nod, or you can just lie there. And what will happen is the gravity will push the weight of your head through those 2 balls, and it'll help release them. So try this cool technique to relieve your headaches.